Journey's first time eating zucchini. I don't know what just entered my mouth, but it tasted like pure evil.
Can we do that again? Do you actually like it? Even though you're making the evil face?
Well, she always makes the evil face when she tries something new. She's trying to make up her mind. Concerned look. I'm hungry, so I'll eat it. No, I don't want it. That's I don't want it in baby. She doesn't open her mouth very wide.
I know.
It's like, when do we get to the good part?
Am I being punished? Shit.
What?
I dropped something on the floor.
That's recorded on the video forever.
I'll just blame it on her. Yeah,
Cussing in front of the baby.
Away from the chair.
No, no, no. No, no, no.
No, no, no.